In this video, we will be learning about shape, value, and shading. After the picture slides, you will be expected to demonstrate what you've learned by drawing shapes as you follow along the video instructions step by step. Then you will be asked to think about the answer to a question at the end to see what you learned. Okay, let's get started. Let's review. We learned that shape is two-dimensional, which means that it has length and width, but no depth. Shapes can be geometric or organic. Value refers to the lightness or darkness of a color, and we can make a value scale to show a range of values. We use shading to show value in drawing, and there are different shading techniques that create different textures. Okay, now it's your turn to practice drawing a shape and shading it with pencil to show value. Follow along with my instructions and the images as we draw a shape together. I'm going to teach you how to draw and shade a cube. A cube is a three-dimensional square. First, with your pencil, draw a square on your paper like this. Next, draw a second square the same size that overlaps the first square like this. Got it? Okay. Next, draw 4 short diagonal lines to connect the two squares at the 4 corners like this. Mine has 3 lines, which is okay because the 4th one that's missing will be erased anyway. Okay, next, erase the left side and the bottom of the second square so that your cube looks like this. This is our cube. Now we have to shade it in. The next thing we're going to do is determine where the light's coming from so we know what parts of the cube will be lightest and which parts will be darkest. For this cube, we're going to show that the light source is on the left, like this. Now that we know where the light is coming from, we know where the shadow will be. Draw a cast shadow next to your cube, like this. Okay, our next step is to draw a value scale. Our value scale is going to have 3 values, with 1 being white and 3 being black. Draw a value scale anywhere on your paper, like this. Now that we have a value scale, and we have our light source labeled, we can shade in the cube. Since the light is on the left and above the cube, the top of the cube will be our number 1 value, so we will leave it white. The front of the cube will be our number 2 value, and it will be gray. We will shade the right side of the cube and the cast shadow to match our number 3 value. Here's how we can label this cube. Now, with your pencil, shade the front and the side and the cast shadow to match the values on your value scale. So the front should be a light gray, and the side and the shadow should be completely black like this. Now you can go back and blend your shading with your finger, blending tool, tissue, or any other material that will help you blend well. Blend the number 2 value first, then the number 3 value, so you don't make the gray too dark. Erase any smudges or places where you blended outside the lines of your cube. You're done. I want you to think about your answer to this question. What is value and how do we use shading to show value? From what you have learned, can you answer this? I hope you have a better understanding of these concepts from this video. Remember that the concepts we learn are important, but it's also important that you practice them. So keep practicing.